attorney here at Mantheiy. I do entertainment law, and I also do wills and trusts. And one area in which these overlap is that if you are a musician, if you're an artist, if you're a writer, then you really want to control what happens to your intellectual property after you die. Now, it's not just about the profits, it's not only about the money. I mean, sure, you want the money from your songs, be it from streaming, from revenue, from any number of sources. You want that to go to your loved ones, but also, do you necessarily want to go out as a hologram? Or do you want your vegan anthem, do you want that to be in a commercial selling Happy Meals from McDonald's? So you not only need to control where the money goes, you want to control how your image, how your songs, how your body of work, how your legacy is used commercially. And with a properly drafted will, you can do a lot of things. You can decide who's going to have control. Not only that, but you can decide what control they can have. You can set limitations on this. You can say, okay, you can send me out on tour as a hologram, but you have to wait 25 years. Or you can send me out on tour as a hologram, but my brother gets to decide whether it's tasteful. He gets the final say. Really, the limitations are your imagination here. But your work, your music, is your legacy. Yeah, your music's probably not as good as Dream Theater, unless you're in Dream Theater, in which case, thank you for watching. But it's meaningful, and it's, in many cases, your life's work. So, even just in terms of things like, do you want your crazy Aunt Stella selecting songs that will go on a compilation album, or is there someone you trust more? And this doesn't have to be a family member. You can specify that this be a trusted manager or associate or even friend. So it's just something to get you thinking. And a will, they're recommended for everyone. Every adult really needs one because it saves your heirs money in the long term. It saves them a lot of heartache, a lot of trouble, and all these other things that you can watch my other videos, go around, click on my website, see what's up. But for the entertainer specifically, there's just a lot of benefit in knowing that your songs will live on, and they'll live on correctly. So anyways, hit me up on the cell phone, email me, comment on this video if you got any questions, and let's get things figured out for you.